Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to learn a very important use case of AI, which is email support automation. So from this today's n8n automation, what we are going to do is we are going to resolve customer email instantly using AI. It basically means that whenever an email comes up, you are going to get the desired output regarding what the emails are. Basically it will get classified, means it will be classified in terms of different contexts. Then the workflow will search the knowledge base which we are going to give it to. Then the answer will be found, and then it goes on, and if it has a query, then it will ask the human expert, which is basically you. So this way it is going to give the email support to you as a human in a loop system. So this is our n8n automation. So let's understand it more in depth. So it is going to get start with a email trigger, where our use case for today is we are going to receive the emails from our designated email address which we want it to. So we have to configure it here. Then this is a node which is called as text classifier, which you can get by texting it in the node directory. So what it does is it uses the actual characteristics and it classifies incoming data. So it basically converts data into classification that where it belongs, and we are going to connect it with Gemini Flash lit. So you can use 2.5 Flash as well, which is one of the cheapest, and it can help it classify. So it is going to use credits, but it will be at a very minimalistic cost. If you are an entrepreneur, this whole set of n8n workflow will be of so use to you that you can get summaries in your email, or you can get it in a Telegram if we do some customization to it. And for your information, this workflow will be available in the description segment. You can visit my website and you can download it from there. So this is a knowledge base where you can classify and you can tell the AI workflow basically by this get knowledge base Google Sheets, where you will link up your data which you want it to classified. Then this is combined knowledge with aggregate context. Basically this is an aggregate node. So what an aggregate node does is it uses the aggregate node to take separate items or portions of them and group them together into individual items. So basically it is like giving two things at a time, and it just aggregate it and it will give you the one output. Then moving ahead, here it is again it's a basic LLM node. What it does is whatever the aggregation we have got, it is going to get studied here, and this is the prompt, user prompt. So you can found this workflow in the description segment from this video, and you go through this prompt. So what basically does is it's find answers with AI. It in the from the input from the aggregate node here is questioned here, and you are going to get the answers. Here you can use 2.5 Flash, and whatever the output generated from here, we are going to put it here in this JSON file through this set node. And then what we are going to do is we are going to put it in two separate ways, where if we want our answer to be put to humans in a loop, it means is if the system has some query that if hypothetically if there are A, B and C, there are three contexts, and the emails which were incoming, and this node has classified it as some context which is there in the D section. So what happens is that will be asked to the human, and the ABC will be again given it to you on your email. It is going to summarize it, and the things which are not summarized, which is out of the context, it is going to ask to the human for help. And from here, it is going to again go to this node of basic LLM chain, and it is going to get studied again. And so this is more customized prompt where it tells that it gives more context to it. It studies from the knowledge base, and it again starts in a loop, and it will go again to this knowledge base, and it will again start the loop. So all the contexts which we already have defined in our knowledge base, it is going to go to Gmail, and we're going to get our answers. Whereas the contexts or the emails which has not been put to context, it is going to ask for human in a loop help. So you are going to get an email for this human in a loop thing. So I hope this workflow creates magic for you, because it has its capacity of doing magic. I hope this tutorial found value to you, and it is one of the most important and useful use case of AI and n8n automations, and this is one of the brilliant way of doing it. And at Vedanawa Systems, we are very amazing in n8n automations for oil and gas and all the corporate sector. If you want to save 8 to 10 hours of your time, do come to us. This in on weekly basis, we help our clients save 8 to 10 hours a week, so approximately 40 to 50 hours a month. And if you want such help, do come to us. You can find it in the description our website, and you can contact us through that. I hope this video finds value to you. Till next time, bye.